Hi everyone, happy Monday. It is May 18th and here are this week's announcements. And we will start with our birthdays this week. Happy birthday to Anna A. and Mrs. Allen's. Happy birthday to Adelaide in Miss Taylor's room. Happy birthday to Cole in Miss Darcy's room. Liam in Miss Bauman's room. Lauren in Mrs. Johnson's room. Haley in Miss Staley's classroom. Alex in Mrs. Benzick's class. Sullivan in Miss Staley's class. Isaiah in Mr. Whalen's room. Grayson in Miss Biteen's room. Reed in Mrs. Schneider's room. Maya in Mrs. Andrews' room. Henry in Miss Stadler's class. Silas in Miss Stadler's class. And Skylar in Mrs. Atkinson's room. So happy birthday to everybody celebrating a birthday this week. All right, we always do our weekly Pledge of Allegiance, so here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you for saying our weekly pledge with me. Okay, our question from this last week was your favorite ice cream. And the options were vanilla, chocolate, or strawberry. And the winner is chocolate. Yes, chocolate came in first. Vanilla was second and strawberry was third. All right, I have another question for you to vote with this week. What is your favorite pet? Dogs or cats? So the link to vote will be in the message, and Miss Tina will put the link in there when she sends this out, so you can go on and vote for your favorite pet. Now, if you don't have a pet, which pet would you like? And maybe if you have a pet, each kind of a pet at your house. You have a dog and a cat. Do you have a favorite? So go ahead and place your votes, and we'll see which wins next week. All right, be a star, be safe, use teamwork, take pride, show responsibility, show respect. And again, if you want to watch our song, you are more than happy to do that. First and second graders, you are going to be doing a very fun specialist activity this week. So if you are needing any help with your specialist activity, first graders, you can connect with Miss Gogland. Second graders, if you need help, you can connect with Mr. Rizzo. And kindergarten, you will also be having some just fun specialist activities as well this week. So everyone take care. The weather's supposed to get beautiful and a lot warmer this week. So I hope you continue to get outside, run around, play, get some fresh air. All right, everyone, miss seeing you. Hope to see you soon.